Hey guys, welcome to my page, Amicable's Kitchen. Guys, all you are seeing here today, we want to prepare afang soup, ofe okazi in Igbo land.
Sorry,
then
the name is not white Spanish, it's a white spinach.
White
Spinach. That's
okay?
the English name of
White Spanish.
okazi afang
Why
soup.
the Igbo name is okazi.
Sorry, I made mistake. I called Spanish.
All these calabas, they call it afang soup because it's their traditional soup. What you are seeing here, we've washed our meat, then washed common slice, add onion, and we're putting seasoning cube, which is Maggi, and salt to taste. So that's what you see we are doing here. Don't mind the environment. The floor is somehow kind of dirty because we've washed leaves and some other stuff. So now we are putting in the fire. Okay, light up the gas and cover and allow to cook. Time to blend. Add the blender process, spices and onion. Okay, we are blending all together. That's what we are seeing. This is silver crush. This blender is super active. The noise alone.
If I beat you,
this is the section for red oil.
I'm telling you, if I beat you.
As you can see, the meat is well boiled and seasoned. So for this recipe I won't be using much seasoning. I do see people add a lot of spices, like all those like more than 10 cubes of Maggi, but I think I put only 3 in this. So and that 3 is what I'll use for it here. I'm done cooking. So after adding your red oil is done, then I'll be putting in my blended pepper, onions and crayfish. I'll be adding in those stuffs. Okay, as you can see in the video, I've added it. Then I'll use water to raise my blending. You see, what is that? Blending cup, I'll be blending bowl, whichever one you are calling it. So I will raise it as based on African woman that I am. You will not leave anyone inside that. Okay. So we've removed all.
This is the
pepper
and fish and onions.
Cover and allow to cook.
For our precious.
Don't keep your eyes on my meat. Okay? So we cover and allow to cook. Yeah, welcome back to this section. Now the meat and the oil and the stuff have mixed together. So it's time to add in our washed water leaf, because this soup requires water leaf. So we'll be adding water leaf inside. This soup is quite big, but I'm cooking a lot because I want to stock in the fridge. I leave for like a week or some days. Okay,
adding
I'm putting in water leaf.
What's leaf?
So just stay tuned, don't get tired of the video, just follow the process.
I tell you how much I spent on this
you want to make for yourself, then you can.
Only God help me with the kind market
I didn't put in this because
I never go this kind market. I go where there's a place where they are selling big market.
I used to eat that
I live my
stress myself.
Because I don't have strength to wake up early.
Because each time I want to take soup, I have to start selecting it. I have to start selecting the
I leave my
Yanaba
to go to where
to eat.
big man people are buying something.
So it's kind of stressful for me. So that's why I didn't even bother.
It's washed, sliced and washed.
Offended my husband, but there's nothing I can do. There's only every time I cook this afang soup. It's not that I enjoy it most. Why me and my children will be complaining. Sometimes we help us to select. Anyway, that's that on that. So we are done adding the water leaf. So we are going to then set it in very well, then cover and allow it to boil for like 2 minutes. So we can get the water out from the water leaf, because water is what we need in this. Okay, as you can see, my meat do not have much water, so it's the water leaf water is what we'll be needing here. So as you can see that the water leaf have vomited water out, the water is out, so we'll be going in with the afang leaf. This is the afang leaf okazi by Igbo.
Sorry,
white spinach. As you can see, that's written on the white okay plates.
The fire is burning my hand.
The leaf is quite big. Yeah, I got that thing that you're saying on that leaf 3,500. It's expensive. That's expensive. After turning, you don't turn, you just put it, then use your spoon to press it like that, then leave it over and come back. Ta-da! We are back for the final stage, as you can see. And again, this is correct. People be cooking up for soup. Correct soup. There's no native soup that cannot cook, apart from all this English food and all that. Okay, I'm testing this.
This is
the Maggi and the sauce that I put is enough. You don't need to come and start adding salt, peppers and all that. I think I later added salt or something. I don't know. I think I tested it. Salt was not enough. I added only salt.
And besides,
salt.
only my husband that likes that stuff. So nobody else eats that with him. I don't have any idea of that selecting from soup. Each time I want to eat, I'll start selecting. If I'm taking soup, I'll be trying to remove the one.
It's either you eat with
I don't have that energy.
Fufu, or wheat, or
so you can see
amala,
the soup is ready.
So we'll be using amala for this.
So we'll be turning wheat
and amala.
Is it wheat?
No. We don't
amala.
Sometimes we do eat swallow.
We'll be turning amala in a bit.
Depending on the soup.
Bye bye. Love you.